This video answers the question, how to buy shares of Reinet Investments SCA, and shows the main steps. Reinet is an investment company listed on Euronext under the ticker REINA.NV, and this is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. And after registering, you must verify your account, which typically requires an identity document. And you will also need to add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker REINA.NV to locate the correct Reinet Investments SCA listing on Euronext. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart, and confirm that the listing matches Reinet Investments SCA and ticker REINA.NV. To place an order, choose the amount you want to invest, review order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order will execute when trading resumes, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Your new position will appear in the portfolio overview, and for convenience, the eToro link is provided in the description below.